Slime is around here somewhere. Yes, I did get you your Christmas gift. No, it's not a calculator. Even though you are failing math. Hello, is this Connor's math teacher? Yes, a 98 is unacceptable. We need to talk about raising it. Yes, I'd like to order an extra large cheese and green pepper pizza, please. No, it's just for me. Hello, Joseph? No, I don't sing. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Hanukkah! I think I finished the tree now. Slime, you ate the tree!
I'm a Christmas tree. Time to spread some Christmas cheer. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cool and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Thou bid us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangeably. Oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. The end.
I gotta tell Connor about this. Joseph. Hi, Joseph.
Hey Ian, I got you your favorite math homework for Christmas.
Well, thank you. This will go great for Connor, since he's gone.
Disappointing. What'd you get for me?
Oh, it's downstairs.
So I should go there?
Yeah.
Okay. You can go downstairs, I could fire you for this, you know? But I won't.
Spices. Kleenex. Didn't Jojo leave these around? Joseph!
Oh no.
I think that's yours.
No, I don't know what this is.
No, it's my gift to you.
Look at this hand.
It's my gift to you.
Thanks, Ian.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. What's that over there?
What?
Nothing.
Alright, Christmas cards. To Aunt May. Oh, wait. She's dead. To Uncle Jim. He died in March. To Connor. He lives here. Finally finished Connor's Christmas present. Slime. Slime, no.
Slime! Give me the phone! Slime!
Slime!
Uncle, months
Slime!
Slime. Got you now.
Decoy!
talk to you then. So, Mom wants to keep me for an extra month after you acted like a lunatic and pushed me out of the door. We were just playing to drop off some of your gifts that her and I bought you. Oh wait, sorry, I got a text this time. Okay, so Mom just went and grabbed your avatai and the printer paper we bought you. Oh gosh, you just set it on fire.
No! Printer paper!
Wait. As it turns out, it's not that flammable. Oh yeah, the kerastine's in the back, huh? Oh, she's just been having kerosene. Everything's watching Supernatural. She's a little paranoid. Okay. Also, Uncle, what you got me was totally inappropriate. Mom wants me to tell you. Like, I don't even know how to use that on my body, and nor would I want to. So, she's forbidding you from buying any more gifts for me. And, oh, she's coming back. Okay, Mom, give me back my phone.
Thank you to everybody who enjoyed the first season of Life of Slime, and thank you for supporting it until now.
Oh, we hope to give you many laughs within season 2. Go, Connor.
From all of us, the cast, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Thank you. I just swallowed a cat.
Bye!
Bye!
Bye-bye.